Hi guys, welcome back. Let's learn how to set up and use the Edge Light feature in FaceTime on your Mac. Edge Light is an all-new macOS feature that turns your display into a virtual ring light during video calls. Instead of using external lighting equipment, your Mac can now illuminate your face automatically when you are sitting in a dark room in order to enhance your video calling experience. What's more, it not only supports FaceTime but also works with other video calling apps like WhatsApp, Zoom, and more. That said, let's get started. So first you have to launch FaceTime or any other supported video calling app. Then you have to click on the green video conferencing menu bar item at the top of your screen. Then you have to choose the Edge Light option in the drop-down menu and you're all set. To fine-tune the lighting intensity and color temperature, just click on the down arrow next to Edge Light. Now, two sliders will appear, allowing you to adjust brightness and warmth so that the effect matches your personal preference. And if you're using a Mac release in 2024 or later, you can also enable automatic Edge Light activation. With this option turned on, your Mac will detect low light environments and switch the feature on automatically. No manual adjustments required. Just look for the automatic toggle in the video call drop-down menu located directly below the expanded Edge Light controls. It's worth pointing out that Edge Light creates a subtle glow around your display's edges to naturally brighten up your face during video calls, and it's a lot more advanced than a simple border effect. Powered by the Mac's neural engine, it analyzes your face, size, and position in the frame to deliver precise lighting. Meanwhile, the image signal processor perfectly adjusts brightness on the fly to suit your environment for consistently balanced results. It's also smart enough to stay out of your way. When your cursor nears the edge of the screen, Edge Light fades back so that you can easily access on-screen content without visual interference. Note that Edge Light works on any Mac with Apple Silicon M1 or later. It supports all video conferencing apps and also works with external cameras and the Apple Studio display when connected to an Apple Silicon Mac. And that's about it. Now that you have unlocked this super handy feature, now go ahead to spice up your video calling time, and I'll catch you up in the next one.